Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to find recent notifications on Facebook using your PC. With Facebook's latest updates, staying informed about your activities has never been simpler. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all the features. Next, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see the notifications icon, which looks like a small bell. Click on it to open the notifications panel. This is where Facebook displays all your recent updates, including friend requests, comments, likes, and more. Now, to view all your notifications in one place, click on the All option at the top of the notifications panel. This will expand the list and show you every notification you've received, ensuring you don't miss anything important. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily stay updated with everything happening on Facebook from your PC. Whether it's a new friend request or an update from a group you follow, all your notifications are just a click away. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, be sure to share it with others who might benefit. Stay connected and enjoy exploring Facebook.